Hi, this is a new video about Project Copilot. What is Project Copilot? It's an AI assistant for software projects that help you to write user stories. In the future, also design documents. And right now, it's available on Jira. The idea is you can write a short description of the user story, a short title, and based on that, the assistant is able to create a very good user story with the right format. Let's see an example. In the example, you can see that we are helping you to write the user story in the right format. But also, the acceptance criteria is very important to specify all the things that you need to take into account to avoid deviation and to create the code in the right way. Let's see an example of how you can use also Project Copilot to generate the acceptance criteria. Sometimes the acceptance criteria and the user story is not perfect because we are working on that. We are trying to assist you to write better user stories, but sometimes you need to improve our proposal. To do that, we add support for instructions. What are instructions? You can put the word instruction and after that custom command that you want to execute over the content. And if you put all that using italics, Project Copilot understands that that is an instruction for Project Copilot. Let's see an example of how you can use instructions. Instructions are a very powerful tool. You have the power of an AI assistant inside Jira, and we are helping you for user stories. But if you need to perform a custom command, then you can use an instruction. Right now, Project Copilot is working taking into account only the content of a particular user story. Next week, we are going to release a new version that is helping you to write better user stories, but taking into account related user stories, similar user stories, and also linked user stories. We are analyzing all that information to provide you a better suggestion how you can rewrite the user story, how you can write the acceptance criteria, and at the end of the day, how you can do better user stories. See you next week with a new video.